Hello Holt Public, welcome back to our video series called Around the Horn. Today you're going to hear more about our Holt Aviation Academy. It's one of our programs that definitely deserves a wow wow super wow.
Thanks Dr. Hornek. Excited to tell you today about our Holt Aviation Academy and how it has grown over the last few years. So as our learning community knows, our Aviation Academy started 3 years ago as an exploratory opportunity for our students on Wednesday mornings. They got a chance to go to different airports in our region, see pilots, see airplanes, learn about the field of aviation, as well as study the curriculum to become a pilot, which articulated towards their ground school certification. We're right on target, and as we enter our 4th year, we're excited to bring these opportunities to students in an elective option. We'll have 2 courses we're offering next year at Holt High School, built into the Students' Day in partnership with our local ground school at Mason Airport. They'll be here to teach 2 different content curriculums, and I'm going to have James tell you a little bit about what each of those classes will include.
Hi, my name is James Reif. I'm the Director of Operations and Assistant Chief Flight Instructor at Great Lakes Air Ventures in Mason, Michigan. I've been a pilot for 7 years and an instructor for 3 of those years. The 2 classes that we're going to be running at Holt High School are Futuristic Flight, Intro to Drones and Aviation, and Intro to Flight, Learning How to Fly. These 2 classes are really focused on building a foundation for students to get into the aviation industry and understand flying drones, flying real airplanes, as well as the many career opportunities that we have within the aviation industry. This class is really for every student. There's a lot of different areas in aviation that one can go into. It's not just being a pilot, being a flight attendant, or being a mechanic. There's a whole variety of classes, different certifications that you can get that are within the aviation industry. The nice thing about the drone technology is the drone technology spreads beyond aviation as an individual. You can go into real estate, videography, marketing, and you can use it in a wide variety of other industries that just have that basis in the drone technology. We're hoping that by the end of it, the students are prepared to go and take their Part 107 drone certification test. That test allows them to use drones commercially and fly for hire with drones, whether that be in real estate, agriculture, whatever it may be. We're also hoping for the 2nd semester, during the Intro to Flight Learning How to Fly, that students are prepared and ready to take their private pilot written test, which is the first step into becoming a private pilot. Right away in Unit 1, we're going to be bringing drones into the classroom and getting students hands-on with the drones, flying them. We'll get a logbook, you'll start logging your flight time, and building up that experience on how to actually operate a drone for these different aspects within the industry. I say go for it. Come out, take this class. This is going to be a fun, hands-on experience. We're going to be flying drones, we're going to be making videos, we're going to be having a lot of fun with it, and it's also something that you can utilize in your future and build into a nice career down the road.
All right, thank you, James. As we know, Holt Public Schools has excellent teachers, and we've got a lot of STEM programming built in now in our model as students come to high school. This is an opportunity when they get to high school to build off that STEM programming and learn more about drones and aviation and unmanned flight, as well as manned flight and becoming a pilot. Both high-wage, high-demand opportunities as a way to bridge that gap from students from high school to industry and career. In 2019, Bureau of Labor and Statistics projected commercial pilots with an average salary of $121,000 a year, projected to grow 9% over the next 10 years. And we know in the last year, things look different in the aviation industry due to the pandemic. It's important to us we adapt with those as well. That's why we're bringing the drones and the AI and some of the unmanned flight to the curriculum as well. This should really give students a great foundation to see and explore the aviation industry while in high school. Thank you for your time. Go Holt Rams.